Today we will be testing a day trading indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a day trading indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 367 different strategies, with 118 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 263 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,038 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a day trading indicator. And so the source video says top 3 free trend indicators. And so the source video shows, as the title implies, 3 free indicators, and I've actually already tested 2 of them here on the channel. And the third one, or one of the 3, I guess I should say, I have not yet tested. And so I went ahead and threw that on screen and ran it through the test to see what it was able to achieve. And so what we have on screen as far as the indicator goes is going to be the Bayesian trend indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And since this is just a standalone indicator, we will put this one on the indicator testing spreadsheet instead of the strategy testing spreadsheet. And so we'll jump into the settings, and the only modifications we'll make is we're going to turn off the labels and we're going to turn off the tables selection, and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when we get a green diamond like this right here. Once we get a green diamond like that there, we are then waiting for the coloration of the bars to get a nice dark vibrant green color, and you can see that right here. It's kind of hard to see on this one because this first bar is a little bit on the darker side as far as the possibilities of coloration, but you can see right here that on these red bars, you can see how they go from a dark vibrant red to a really light color, almost completely white here on this bar. And that same coloration can take place at the beginning of the switch in a potential trend direction. And so sometimes the beginning bars will be very, very light colored. Sometimes they'll be just kind of an off color. Like this one right here is just slightly off green, kind of a light green. And so again, what we're waiting for is when we get that darker, more saturated green like this one right here. And that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We're going to set our trade right here. We're going to set our stop just right below this pivot right here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward to put us right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see very quickly we make this nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, again, what we're looking for, so we're looking for this red diamond to appear like this here. Then we're looking for that darker saturated colored bar like this one right here. And you can see here is a nice example of the coloration, or even here, that light coloration from the green bars. And again, happens on both red and green. You can see here that the green diamond appears, but in this case, these bars are almost completely white, if not completely white and hollow on the inside. And so you're waiting for that darker, vibrant color to be established, which kind of reinforces the fact that it is price is potentially in a specific trend direction. And so you can see that we get that vibrant red right here. And so that'll be the signal to then enter into a trade. Put our trade right there, put our stop just right above this pivot here. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push to the downside gets us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 28% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So on its own, I wouldn't say it's one of the top free indicators. Maybe combined with some other indicators would do much better, but as standalone, not so great. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 28 trades altogether. We had 23 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $7,800. And so definitely better results. And with the position management strategy that I teach all the patrons, you would have definitely increased that win rate up into the high 90%, 99% area, somewhere in that. And so realistically, the total gain would have been closer to the $14,000. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex Indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex Indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex Indicator within an hour. And just to show the versatility of the Academy of Forex Indicator, I've developed a second strategy that you can use. And backtesting has achieved over 200 winning trades combined with the position management strategy. And in live testing on an actual live account as 13 winning consecutive trades in a row, a 100% win rate up to this point. You can see a thumbnail of that strategy up on screen now. You can also click the link up in the corner to view that video. The link will look like a little circle with an eye in it. Just click on that link and it'll drop you down to 2 thumbnails. Just click on the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.